Online learning is the not next big thing. It is now the big thing. There is a plethora of study material available on the internet, and since the pandemic, online courses have become one of the most valuable sources of learning. If in today's time you're not utilizing the resources available online and just sticking to the old traditional offline methods, you are missing out. Similarly, to study for CA, CS, CMA exams, several things can work for you. But the best option is getting yourself enrolled in an online course that are provided by various platforms. One of the best platforms is StudyAtHome, as we seek to provide quality professional classes to the masses across India and abroad at a much affordable cost and at the comfort of their homes. Our faculties are perfect educationists who know how to grab mind of learners. The cost of courses is offered by us is very less and affordable compared to face-to-face classes. You can also get admission at offline coaching centers that provide classes for competitive exams. But here are few reasons why online courses are your best bet. Number 1, saves the traveling time. One of the most beneficial point of video lectures is that it saves the traveling time. Most of the students residing in other cities or far from the coaching institute can get the benefit online, and they will neither have to travel long kilometers nor they have to stay away from their homes. Number 2, flexible timing. Online classes give everyone space. Students can enjoy CA, CS, CMA online classes at their home and take classes whenever they want, whatever the time is suitable for them. Many students doing a job along with studies prefer to take classes at night. For such kind of students, online classes are the best rather than live classroom. Replay the concept. Many of the time, students miss the concept or could not get it in a single shot. Students can ask the teacher repeat the concept in face-to-face classes, but not every student is that comfortable in doing so. Hence, online classes are the better way where you can replay the classes and understand the concept until you are not satisfied. Number 4, play as per your comfort. Student can play the classes as per your comfort. Student can pause it, student can replay it, can rewind it. Student can also adjust its speed. Number 5, forget missing the classes. Loss of missing even a single class can make it difficult to understand whole chapter. Online classes resolve this issue by providing lectures on students' demand and according to students' convenience. Number 6, saves money. Buying online courses cost way less than offline coaching. Offline coaching fees includes the cost of various amenities that provided at the centers of coaching, and thus its price is high. Online courses do not include that cost and therefore they are less costly. Online courses also eliminate the money spent in traveling to offline coaching centers. Hope these would give you a better idea for deciding and to enroll in online classes visit StudyAtHome.org or download StudyAtHome learning app through Play Store. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe for more.